Hey guys, it is the Broke Beauty Guru with another episode of Wrestling with Beauty. And this we're going to keep a little bit short because I realized that I go on a ramble in the beginning and the ending of my videos. So I'm going to try and cut that out and try and say as little as possible while giving you as much info as possible. So this look is inspired by the first space age sister of the stars, Judy Jetson. And again, I'm such a huge Hanna-Barbera fan. I grew up with these cartoons, the Flintstones, the Jetsons, Quick Draw, Huckleberry, all of them. And I thought I'd do something a little bit different. We covered the Stone Age, now we're covering the future and the space age. So this is gonna be my Judy Jetson look, and I hope you guys enjoy our first star sister of the sky. Okay, so it's safe to assume that Judy Jetson in the future would have been just your typical average female. With Instagram and social media, she probably would have been one of the very first beauty gurus because she was just so fashion forward, and she was just really one of those teenage girls that had to be ahead of the curve. So, you know, I would assume she'd be doing videos like this. So, to start off with our primer, we're gonna just go right in and just start priming the face, because if we don't prime our face, do we really love ourselves? Like, honestly, like, you gotta love your face. Okay, so we're moving into our foundation, our Huda Beauty in Cheesecake, and we're just gonna put that on the face. Next, damn beauty blender, let's get this all over. Now for the contour. Now let us blend. Okay. I always say okay. I gotta stop that. Next step, let's try that. We're gonna go in for our setting powder, and we're just gonna kind of set all this. There's already some in the cap. We'll just swish it around and set. Okay, so now that we've got a base, we're just gonna throw on our eyebrows. We're just gonna throw kind of a quick base on. We're just gonna go into this white color, which is also gonna go kind of on the lids, but I'm gonna throw some shimmer on it to kind of really make it pop. But we're just gonna put this all over the eyelid that we primed, which has already previously been primed. So we're just gonna throw that right on there. So this look has a lot of red, white, and a little bit of black, only because Judy's bow is black, but the white for her hair, obviously, and then the red for the outfit she always wore. And back in the space age, you could wear the same shit every day and nobody ever judged you for it. Anyways, we're gonna go right into this pink color. Not this hot pink, but this pink, kind of just to kind of slowly bring out the red. We're not trying to make it magenta or anything. So this will probably be a better color to help bring out the red in her outfit, because it's a bright red, so. Okay, so now we're gonna put in the red. We're gonna go right into this red, which is like the perfect Judy Jetson outfit red, and we're gonna throw it right on top of the pink. Okay, so now that we've got a lot of the red on, we're gonna go right into this black color, and we're just gonna put it right on the outer corner before we kind of cut the crease with the white. Okay, so to do the lids, we're gonna go right into our Styla Glitter and Glow liquid eyeshadow in Perlina. It's like a white shimmery eyeshadow base, and we're gonna just throw that right on. I prefer this than just putting like concealer, because it's a white look, and concealer, yeah, it does pick up color, but when it comes to like a white color, I'd rather use this. So we just throw this right on the lid. Okay, now we're gonna try and make the lids pop a little bit. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna try and grab a flat brush which is right here, and I'm gonna go right into Blue Ice, which is kind of the closest to white that I have in my highlighter palette, and we're just gonna throw it a little bit on top. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is, see, the sun is really, really wonky. It likes to mess with me, but whatever. We're gonna go right into this dark red, and we're gonna apply that right in between our outer V and our lid, just to kind of blend the black and the red together. Okay, so now we're gonna go right into the black, and we're just gonna kind of spruce up the outer corners, or the outer V, and just blend it all together. Okay, time for quickie contour. Okay, so the contour is done. Now we're gonna go in for the cheeks with our Amazonian clay and natural beauty. For our highlight on the inner corners and the brow bone, I'm gonna go into Pink Heart, only because it goes well with the red. Now for the cheeks, we're gonna go into that Pink Heart. We're gonna mix it with Blue Ice. Time for liner and mascara. Okay, so we smoked out our bottom lash line and we added white eyeliner. Now we're gonna go for the lips, and I'm going into Beauty by Pop Sugar and Be the Boss lip gloss. We're just gonna throw that on top. Okay, we're gonna throw this up on top just to kind of give it more shimmer. It's our Lime Crime and Siren. Okay, so the final step is going to be the hair, and only because I like to put it up in rollers, it just kind of defines my curls a little bit better. So this is the final step, and we will be right back. And this is the completed look. I am so sorry about the shadows in here. It's the way the window is set up. But this is my final look. This is my Judy Jetson inspired makeup tutorial. And I had a lot of fun doing it. I've been having a lot of fun doing actually cartoon inspired ones. It's nice to take a break from just wrestling. But speaking of wrestling, we will be out in Pennsylvania again this weekend, Saturday, August 25th. And then we will be in West Virginia September 15th for WIN Wrestling. It stands for Wrestlers in Need. It's going to be a co-main event, intergender tag match, me and Trigger versus Bad Boy Carnage and Natalina Corvino. So please stay tuned and keep up to date to my YouTube, my Instagram, my Twitter, my Facebook, and all that other wonderful stuff. And thank you again for watching another episode of Wrestling with Beauty. I am your Broke Beauty Guru, the Ring Queen Lexa Rose, and have a blessed and positive day, guys. Love ya.